Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College, Chennai. So in today's video, I will tell you guys the latest update from Loyola College. So as you know that Tamil Nadu State Board results are released. The college have updated on their official website that the online application portal is open for UG program from 20. So I already made a video in which I told you guys the admission process of Loyola College, and I filled the half of the application form in that video, so make sure to check it out. So in today's video we will fill the next half of the application form. So when you go to the college official website, so this is the official website of college. So when you go down you will see the online application portal. So I'm going to log in now, and if you haven't even registered yet, so you can check out the video. So after login, so you will see your application form. Before submitting the final application form, you can edit it. If you made any mistake, there is an edit option here. So when you click on next, you will see your specific details, and after that you will see your educational qualification. So in that I already filled my 10th details and 11th. So now you just have to fill your 12th details. Going to the 12th details. Okay guys, so you can see 12th details here. So first is your name of school, then your place of school, then your medium of instruction, Tamil or English medium, then month and year of passing. So your month is July and your year of passing is 2021 if you passed from this year. Then your exam registration number, then your board of examination passed, like CBSE or HSC, then your marks detail, so your language 1, language 2, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. After that you have to click on the submit button and make sure that you fill your marks correctly. So after clicking the submit button, you can see the applicant document attachments. So you have to upload your 12th statement of marks, 11th statement of marks and 10th statement of marks, and file size should be less than 200 KB and the format should be JPG, PDF, PNG. So make sure that your attachments are less than 200 KB. So when you attached all the files, then click on the next button. You have to select your course, verify and confirm eligibility criteria and all details entered by you before generating the application. Once the application is generated, no further change will be permitted. So you cannot change after submitting the form. Make sure that you don't make any mistake, and you can see your eligible courses, like apply for shift 1 and shift 2 at a time. So as I'm a female, so I can only see these 6 courses. So like for example, let's apply for BSc Visual Communication in shift 1. So you can see the amount like 150 rupees. So when you click on the I agree and apply, so you will see this. Once the application is generated, no further change will be permitted. So after clicking the yes button, you cannot change your application form. So make sure that you fill the application form correctly, and after clicking the yes button, you will get directed to the payment mode. So you will see your details like application category, application for UG courses, academic year, applied institution like for shift 1 and your timing here, and make sure that you take screenshot every time, then your applied program and your total amount. So I only applied for BSc Visual Communication, and then you can pay by these 3 methods: net banking, UPI, cash payment in any Axis Bank, through Easy Pay and your debit or credit card. So after this you just have to pay the application fees, and after that you will get email that you have registered successfully. You will also see your application form. So make sure to take screenshot of that application form or download it and save it safely. Yeah, this is how you have to apply for Loyola College. Okay, so this is how you have to fill the application form for Loyola College. So I covered all the details, and if you still have any doubts, you can comment down below or you can DM me on Instagram as well. So this is it for today's video. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.